Well, good morning, Internet. It is time to introduce a change in my apparel, or protection, I should say. This has been my helmet for the past 5 years, I do believe, or I've had this helmet for quite a while. I looked at the manufacturing date, and it was 2018. So they say you're supposed to change these out every 3 years, even if you don't have a crash or so. So it's obviously it was well due for a change. So and this helmet has been no issues, no problems at all. This is the Troy Lee Designs A1 helmet. It's a very popular helmet, able to replace out the pads. But I want to try something different this time around. So I got this Leatt Enduro. It's the MTB Enduro MTB 3.0, and you'll see in a second why they call it the 3.0. But one thing I do want to show real quick is this doesn't have the MIPS system like that. You see the MIPS in here, this little yellow interior that's supposed to prevent you, concussions by being able to twist. This uses something different called the rotational 360 system, which are these little blue circular things here that do a similar process of what the MIPS system does. It's just Leatt's version of it. All right. So again, what's nice about this helmet, it comes in a few different colors. It offers a 10 millimeter padding as well as an 8 millimeter padding. So if you want something a little bit thinner, it has the rotational thing here for, making it fit nice and snug. And the straps are a magnetic strap, so you slide. It just basically slides the fid lock, I guess is what they call it, and it just slides apart like that to get it undone. So nice and easy. So sticking it on your head, sticks on nice and smooth. And I'm still getting used to the fid lock system, but it goes on nice and easy. Adjustable, visor goes up and down. All right, but yeah, it fits very comfortably. Do micro adjustments in the back, very comfortable. It's actually a little bit more comfortable than my A1. Now we're going to show you why it's called a 3-in-1 helmet. All right, so this is, so we have the half shell. Now we have an option for a 3/4 shell. So it comes with these attachment pieces, and you'll notice there's a little metal hook right here, and this little kind of a circular kind of piston piece. And what it does is the metal hook goes into this slot right here, and then this pushes into this slot right here. So it just snaps in. So if I get this correct here, we just get the hook in there and then kind of like just push it and it snaps right in. Do the other side here. Same thing. Get the hook in, kind of push it in, it snaps on. And now I can put this on here. Should probably take off my sunglasses while doing this. So again, got my snap in here. I can put on my sunglasses here, but I have, this, I would say something like this kind of protection is good on the more wilder rides, like you have your cross country. This here is more for your basic enduro kind of riding. So you have a little bit more protection than the half shell with the 3/4. All right, so to get the piece off, it just has a little, press the button, basically pops it out and just releases like that. Simple and easy. Ready? All right, so now for the third part, and again, I went ahead and took off the ear covers because this is built in with the chin guard as well. So this is the full-faced version of the helmet. So again, it hooks in the same way. You'll see that there's a little metal hook here and then the piston there that goes inside. So we just go ahead and kind of wind. This one's a little bit more difficult to get in there, but see what I'm doing here. I can just get that lined up right. There we go. And then pop that side in, and same with the other side. Just pop right in there. Oops, I didn't get that. Nope, let's take two. Didn't get the hook in there. I guess that's the trick, is making sure you get the hook in the right spot. there before. You have to have the hook in first before you push it in. So now it's in. So now we've got the full-faced version. Let me go ahead and slip this on real fast. Okay, so one thing I realized when putting on a full face is to kind of release the thing as far back as possible to give your head a little bit more space, because God knows I've never really worn a full face helmet before. All right, so get my strap. Alrighty, got my ears in. Alright, so this should, oh wait, let me go ahead and tighten up the back now. Now that it's on, I can actually tighten up the back. And then to make it more official for downhill, instead of sunglasses, let me see if I can get this on here.
Is that the way that goes over the helmet
it goes,
usually, or is it
I do
usually
believe
go inside?
it kind of, yeah, it sticks up. If I do this properly, it should go up and around the helmet in the back here. Now these are, again, these are ski goggles, not mountain bike goggles, but they show you the point of what it looks like. Right. And just one more thing, inside of the chin guard area, they do have another option for a thicker pad, a 20 millimeter pad. I think the one I have on here is either a 10 or a 15.
Oh, so you're talking about the things up against your cheeks
there? Right here, yeah, these pieces right here. So these are changeable, so if you have a thinner face, or if you have a fatter face like mine, it will use the smaller ones.